Hi y'all, welcome to Hank Aaron's. This is going to be the first product review for a Honda Rebel 500. It's a 2025 version. Let's see what I got in the mail. First, let's see what this is. This is a flip down kit that was ordered. As you guys can see, what the bracket looks like. Here's the other bracket. What that looks like. And let's see what the screws look like here. These are little caps. Will go eventually on where the mirrors used to be. Let's see, and here are the screws and spacers. You got 4 spacers, locking nuts, the mirror, and the 4 screws that replaced the existing ones. Hopefully they all fit. I will get to that when I get to that to do the installation. And then what's next? Let's put that aside here. What's next on the order is what's in this bag. Oh, these are the frame sliders. What comes in these frame sliders? Let's see. Here is a product list, I guess. Oh, instructions manual. Cheap and flimsy, but whatever. Let's get the job done. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. What's next? Here are the super long bolts. Get rid of that. Ooh. Big and beefy. Plastic. Crushable. The installation, I believe, will go like narrow part go in like this, and then screws will come apart. That and you feed it through like that, and this will eventually go on the other side. And that will lock in. And the same thing here. Oh, right, forgot about the washer. So this will go in like this. And then go in like that, I believe. Lock all tight together. Let's refer to this thing here. Rubber pad, spacers, installation says. Oh yeah, okay. Metal washer goes there. So let's take this apart again. Put the metal washer in. Feed that through. That goes through there. And that literally goes there. Okay. That's gonna eventually go on the Honda Rebel also. Put that aside. Ooh. What's the best part? It's the exhaust that's gonna be going on. Replace the stock exhaust. Let's get rid of that. Let's see what's on this one. So this exhaust purchased from eBay. Here's the clamp, springs, the washers. Gotta figure out how all this goes together. Okay, let's move on. This is, I believe, is the mid pipe. More springs. Let's separate that to make sure. Get this with the right stuff. Oh, that goes there. That goes there. And here's the mid pipe. Has some crumbs coming out of it. This is not the cleanest. Make sure you can see inside of this. But it's not the cleanest pipe. It's kind of rusty. Just maybe run a brush through it. Okay. Next, the exhaust itself. Slip on. Ooh, much smaller than I expected. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, it's KO lighting brand. It's a knockoff on SC Projects, I believe. China made, not a real thing. Whatever. I think it sounds awesome. I have a ABS SE edition, so hopefully it'll go well on my bike. What else is in here? I guess the collar and the silencer. Let's see. So how does this all go together? Let's see. There's no instructions, so I think this goes in like that, and then I believe this goes in like that. I think no, doesn't work like that. Oh, I don't know how that works. Like this, and this goes on. No, I don't know, but I think it goes on like this somehow. I believe this rubber collar goes around like this. I mean, not the greatest product. China made. Not exactly sure. Let's see. Go all the way up. Slides over. Oh, not the easiest thing. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. Try to get this thing in the channel here. Okay, that's one side. Now let's do the other side. This could have come pre-assembled, but it didn't. Okay, I think that looks good, and somehow it goes on like this when you're installing. It comes on like this. That's it. I guess the springs will go on like this. Let's stretch this spring. It even stretches. It doesn't look like it stretches, but we'll figure that out when we get onto the bike. I'm not sure where this goes. Goes in between the pipe. Like this, I guess. This goes in like this. That's gonna rattle the shit out of it. I don't know why they have this. It's gonna rattle like crazy. Goes in like that. Inside, it doesn't actually sit center. See that? How else did I go in? Like that. Let's see. Then that goes in like that and rattle. So, where does it go? I don't know. Go here? No. Go here. No. No. It's gonna have to do without the silencer. Because this is way too big. That's gonna fall right through. It's not gonna work. Okay, so that's it for that, and then we'll get this installed on the bike soon and see. Hopefully, it'll come together. It'll sound great, and remove the stock exhaust. All right, see you in the next episode.